how can we be sure that, let's say, this condition is satisfied, then these other conditions are not considered or checked as well? Let me show you something. I'll write another if statement, and as the expression for this statement, instead of giving some check, I will give a printf statement. Printf, and I will write something. This is to check the execution, and I'll just end it like this. If I build and run this, you see I have written this inside if and it is getting executed. This statement is getting printed here. That is because whatever is the expression, C takes it and executes it. So now if a similar statement I can put for the if else conditions, let's say the number here is 7. So this is the part which is getting executed. Let me make it 5 instead of 7. So I can show you that neither this nor this is getting executed. And instead of 7, I will write this. This is to check the execution of part 6 maybe. And I will copy it here as well of part 7. Now we have given this number 5. So this is the first statement which is getting satisfied. We saw that if else statement, if we write printf as the condition, the printf is getting executed. I told you that one of the expressions is satisfied, or that if one of the expressions is true, the code won't bother checking for the other conditions. That is for other else if or else part. So let's see if that is true. So what we can expect in the output here is, since num is equals to 5, we get these two statements, but it should not print this statement. Let's build this and see. So we are getting the number is equal to 5. The number is equal to 5 from here. I am inside the if part. Then you see it's not printing this statement. That means this is not executed. Neither is this. It's not even taking even the else part. It's coming directly here. It's checking for this. If num is equals to 6, printf the number is 6, which we don't get here. That means this part is not executed, but the else part is getting executed. The number is not equal to 6. And then it is checking for this statement. That is, it is executing the if statement and the expression inside if is to printf this statement, which we are getting here. So once a condition for an if else block is still starting from the if till the end of the else block. If any condition is satisfied, all the other checks are skipped. So since this is going to be executed to be true, all these parts are skipped and the execution comes directly to this one. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Do not forget to like and drop a comment. They are huge motivations. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to never miss any update. Bye and see you soon in the next video.